Alright, I just want to do a short update on what's going on with this SkyRover S1 drone I got. Right now, as you can see, it's plugged in, I'm charging up the batteries. Looks like the lights stopped blinking, so that means this one, the battery is fully charged. And I have to change the other battery, which is in there, and then get that charged. So, alright, get this going. Now what I gotta do is change the battery out of here and put this extra battery that I got in there. So let me get this out. Figure out, get this open. And seal it up like Fort Knox. Charging cable. Now the second battery here is completely charged. You can see all the lights are lit. I put the first battery in here in the box that little Lego I got here, so I'm making sure nothing happens to it. Let me put him on the side here. Wait a minute, there we go. Anyway, let's set this on the side. Now the only thing left to charge is the controller here. Hit this button here. You can see that only 2 lights are coming on. So it is already half charged, but let's stick this right there. This battery took, oh gosh, it was about 2 hours, I believe, to fully charge. Okay, one last thing. The controller is completely charged, as you can see, the 4 lights. Now, if you get this all together and get this thrown up in the air, that'll be part 3. See you later.